Okay po, Counselor. Unang tanong, nagkaroon muli tayo ng art lesson, free art lesson. Ano ba yung purpose nito, Counselor?
Okay, ang Baguio po ay tinaguriang Creative City. No? Baguio was declared as a Creative City by UNESCO in 2017. So, this is our own way of helping build Baguio City as a creative city by helping build more creative people. Kaya po, tayo po ay may regular na free art lesson. Meron pong every weekend sa Art Bank, the first Art Bank of Baguio sa may Athletic Bowl. Ngayon po, may special class tayo dito sa may Luacan Proper Barangay na through the creative initiative of SK Chairperson Paini Usukan at kanyang mga kasamang opisyalis ng SK ng Luacan Proper. So, this is a very good partnership. This initiative will definitely go a long way. Na-discover natin na dito sa Luacan Proper ang daming mga creative residents. Magagaling sila. It's just a matter of time these people will develop into professional artists. So, tayo po'y tumutulong sa paglago ng sining sa lungsod ng Baguio. And this is our advocacy. It's our passion. We love doing it. No? We don't get paid for what we are doing, but mga kasama kong mga alagad ng sining, my fellow artists are very happy to see that many are getting into the field of arts. So kanina, isa sa mga pinakamagaling natin na estudyante sa art residency class, si Dylan Calino, siya ang nagturo sa kanila about seascape painting. No? He's very good in landscape, seascape, waterscape painting. So, dinemonstrate niya. No? Then, nagturo din tayo on how to sketch, how to do a portrait, how to draw, no? And the tips. Marami pang mga tips na pwede nating ibigay, but we have a limited time for this. Meron kaming susunod pa na kabanata na ganitong activity din, creative activity. And we just went to the military cut-off barangay kanina to inspect yung diversion road na sinimulan namin na gawan ng initial layout ng mural. Pero dahil nagkasakit yung kanilang kapitana, next week na namin gagawin yun. But here, after this free art lessons class, pasusundin namin ito, and then after that, they will do a mural for the community. We prefer that the mural in every barangay or community will be done by the residents because they will own it. Sa kanila na yun gagawin nila. They will have the sense of ownership kasi they contributed in developing the concept na gagawin sa mural, and then sila mismo kasama natin na mag-implement ng project. So we're doing our best to do a mural for the community in the city of Baguio. It's a partnership between the community and our group, yung pong Sinagi Group of Artists and the BIAG or the Baguio Educators Arts Guild, plus our fellow lovers of art who love simply helping in developing potential creative people, potential artists. So, hindi lang sa visual arts, meron din tayong programa sa performing arts, no, sa dancing, singing, and all the forms of discipline. In fact, itutuloy po natin yung sinimulan natin na free guitar lessons. Mayroon na rin tayong kasama na magtuturo sa pagtugtog ng violin, no? And the other musical instruments. Hopefully, we'll be able to put up an academy for all these kinds of art disciplines. At ito ginagawa natin dahil mahal nating gawin. We love doing it. Just simply love doing it. Yan lang. Yan lang. And we thank our partners like si Dr. Arnold Nakonsay na kasama natin sa programa na to, si Margie Amorsolo, si Dylan Calines, and the rest. Yung mga iba hindi lang nakapunta pero schedule kami ng mga free art lessons, gumagawa kami ng schedule kung sino ang pupunta. So ito libre.
Sir, speaking of potential, some people see arts as a hobby, pero this is actually a profession, a noble profession. What can you tell the children who wants to really pursue being an artist?
Okay. I'd like to give words of encouragement na art knows no age, young or old. You know, nung sinimulan natin itong free art lessons class, ang pinakabata natin na estudyante is 2 years old. No? And then yung pinakamatanda is 74. Come to think of it, si President, the late former President Cory Aquino started painting at the age of 60. At ang gaganda kanyang mga outputs, and then nakapagbenta pa siya before she died ng kanyang magagandang mga obra maestra. So ito ay open po sa lahat ng gustong sumali dito sa programa na to. This is a program para sa mga taga-Baguio. Ito ay para sa bayan, kaya po we invite everyone to take part in this program. At may special announcement ako, next Saturday po, magkakaroon po ng free solar art painting sa may athletic bowl. At ang magtuturo po yung pinsan ko si Jordan Macusan, yung president ng Tamawan Group of Artists. Magtuturo siya kung paano gamitin yung sinag ng araw para sunugin ang kahoy at magpinta ng isang artwork gamit yung sinag at yung magnifying lens. Naiiba itong klaseng sining na to. This is a different kind of art, very unique. Kaya we invite everyone to come this Saturday, 8:30 po sa may athletic bowl. Hopefully, malakas yung sinag ng araw para magagamit natin na gumawa ng isang solar art masterpiece. So, yan po, we will provide the materials. Magdala lang po kayo ng sunglasses nyo. Kung gusto nyo, pwede rin kayo magdala ng magnifying glass or lens, but we can provide. So, yan po, this coming Saturday. Our art residents na nag-aaral sa Art Bank, you kindly come and join us during this activity. So, yan po. This is for everybody. This is for the people of Baguio, young or old. You need not worry. Pwedeng 2 years old, 3 years old, pwede rin 80 years old. Pwedeng sumali dyan. Sama-sama tayo dito sa programa na palaguin ang sining sa Ciudad ng Baguio.
For our last question po, Councilor, it is a dream, and soon will become a reality. You're planning to conduct an arts camp here in Cordillera.
Pinisto mo ako.
Ay, yes.
Well, this is a collective project among friendly artists. Napag-usapan namin initially with the owner of Pugad ni Art, si Art Lozano, na mag-put up po ng isang national activity, a national arts camp here in our place. And we intend to invite all the artists from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the 7,100 islands of the Philippines. We will have an arts camp dito sa Ciudad ng Baguio. That's why we actually started coordinating with the Department of Tourism, the Department of Trade and Industry, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. No? Mayroon na kaming mga earlier coordinations to do this, and yung mga artists from other places in the Philippines. So hopefully matupad yan one of these days.
Thank you po.
Question, ano yung nag-inspire sa atin? But, di ba, like, for example, yung mga program ni SK, ba't sa ating mga art classes yung ginawa natin ngayon?
For me kasi, I'm not actually talented in art, but I love arts. So, yun din yung nag-push sa akin. And also, Councilor, when I asked him in our GA, na kung pwede ba, he will help us in our painting. And also our kagawad here, na he's very into arts. Not only into arts, but then also technology art. So, yun yung nag-push sa akin to also discover the talents of our young people or youth here in our barangay.
How was it when nakikita rin natin yung mga paintings sa mga kabataan na meron pang 6 years old sumali po?
Actually, as a psychologist, I have also a research before about behavior connecting to colors. So parang ako doon kasi while they're having their painting, I was, ano kaya yung mga parang impressions ng colors sa kanila? Or what, ano kaya yung meaning ng colors sa kanila? So, yun yung nag-push sa akin. So, also, I'm amazed how the artist, how a mind of a young person works sa kanilang while drawing it and painting.
Ma'am, are we expecting more of these pre-art lessons sa ating barangay? And up ba tayo dun sa challenge ni Councilor Yamo to have our community mural?
Yes, actually, I'm very challenged kasi those kids has a potential. Lalo na kung i-invite namin dito sa District 12. And also, our co-escape persons are looking for activities also, collaborations. And yun po yung hinahanap din namin, collaborative activities sa aming district.
Ma'am, gaano kahalaga na meron tayo mga programa na nagkakaroon na talaga or na-ano sa mga kabataan and to enhance their skills, ma'am, hindi na yung parang the usual project dito sa
Yes, kasi actually yun din yung gusto ko din i-focus, yung hindi lang sports but also other activities to improve, to also yun nga, para hindi lang yung mga varsity, liga, ganun. So we also want to engage more our youth here in Locan proper.
Ma'am, may last question po, may mensahe tayo kay Councilor Yamo na nag-lead or dinala niya pa dito yung kanyang pre-art lesson.
Yeah. Counselor, we are very grateful for your generosity in our barangay and also sharing your talents. And yeah, we hope for more collaboration with you. And we're SKR thankful sa'yo, Counselor. Thank you.
Ano yung pangalan natin, ma'am?
Piney Floor Busog.
Ano yung spelling mo, ma'am? Nung first name?
PYNI.
Yung apelyido.
BUSOCAN.
Thank you so much po. So sa akin, ma'am, ilan po kayo na pangkas ay palaw?
I have 5, pero mayroon po akong secretary and so 7. Yes.
So ngayon, ma'am, apat na. So may tatlong.
Yeah, kaya example din.
May thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay lang, dito na lang po kayo side para makita na lang dito. Dito pa. So yung sa advanced classes lang natin, may mga nakita tayo kanina na
Potential.
may potential.
Yes.
Ano yung gagawin natin if they will pursue
Okay,
advanced classes?
yung mga, I would like to make an announcement. Yung pong mga gustong mag-enroll sa advanced classes, art lessons natin, free art lessons. Meron po tayong ginagawa every Saturday, no? So sisimulan natin uli yan next Saturday, 8:30 in the morning hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Libre po yan, dire-diretso na yan hanggang magtapos yung ginawa natin na syllabus for the art residency class. So, lahat po na kayo amin na interesado mag-adal in the arts, there's going to be a continuous free art lessons class sa may art bank sa Athletic Bowl starting next week, 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Punta po kayo, libre, just bring yourselves. Okay?
Yes, sir.